So here AM, when I can tell that right now, means right now you will see 11:50 AM, right? Now AM means what? So here we can we just wait. Here we can say like that AM, okay, from midnight means 12 o'clock, midnight up to when? 11:59 o'clock in the morning. So this time, every time, if I am asking you at the midnight, that is actually 2:30. That will be 2:30 a.m. Okay, and yes, you need to write it. PM, when we use 12 o'clock noon to 11:59 o'clock in the night. Okay, this is the concept, basic concept of AM and PM. Now here you need to understand few things more. The 24-hour formats of 24 hours format of clock. Okay, because in the phone sometimes we can just change it accordingly, or in the railway station we can see the time according to the 24-hour format. Now 24-hour format is very easy. How it is working? Actually our day is consisting 24 hours, right? So one day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. That is why in the clock also sometimes we are using this. So how we are telling AM, actually AM is similar, in similar means like this way. We are just talking about our AM 11:59. Okay, but for talking about PM, suppose right now the time is 8:30 PM in the evening. That time we are just telling like in the 24-hour format 20:30 AM and PM we don't have to mention. So we don't need AM or PM. In the 24 hours format, AM and PM is not required. Okay, and here write one more line: to convert the time of PM, we will add 12. Like this way. Here with 8:30 only 12. Here 12 hours, 12 hours. Please write 12 hours. Okay, here we have at 12 hour and it is becoming 12, 20, 30. Okay, so here these things you need to remember. In the AM and PM is not required in 24 hours format, and to convert the time of PM we will add 12 hours. This thing you need to remember. Please write it, and afterwards we will solve the next sum. Okay, if it is completed, please please raise your hand. Okay. If it is completed, please just raise your hand. Seven only. At least 10 should complete it. Then only I will move to. Why, Haratrika? Every day you are requesting me. Okay, so I'm just stopping this share because so that I can share the book. Just wait for a while. So I'm going to share the screen from here. From here, whatever is left means use of AM and PM is there. And question number 7 and 8 will be your homework. First of all, mark your homework today. Question number 7 and question number 8. Very easy. One question I'm just showing you. Position of our hand. It will be in between 6 and 7. So we will write like that. In between I'm writing short 6 and 7. Minute hand 20. So it should be minute hand should be on 4. Okay, like this way you have to complete. This will be your HW. Today's date is 12/8/21. Tomorrow I will see it and draw the hour hand. That means like these are very small you will draw. Okay, so this thing you will complete. Okay, so please mark it. I will be going on the next page. Okay, so I hope that you have written. So I'm going to the next page. Next means exercise from where we will start. Write using AM and PM. Okay, so from here we will start solving the sum. Please do it in your book, sorry, in your copy. Okay, 1, 2 I am showing. Rest of the things you have to do by yourself. So 2 hours before 6 p.m. So 2 hours before 6 means 4 and 4 will be p.m. 5 hours after 5 p.m. This is 10 p.m. 6:40 into the evening. Evening time will be falling mostly into the p.m. but the night will be falling into the a.m. 3 hours after 12 noon. So 3 p.m. 4 hours after 8 a.m. 12 p.m. Okay. 9:05 in the morning, 9 a.m. So like this, you complete everything. After a while, I will just complete this entire exercise. I will just show you the answers and our syllabus will be completed. Afterwards, from the next day, computer I will start and in the homework, I will give you the mental maps. minutes past 3 in the afternoon, 3:15 p.m. p.m. Okay. Just wait for a while. Here, I think some problem is there. Okay. What time it will be there? It will be also your homework. This question number 2 and 3. 3 will not take much time. Okay, do one thing. Question number 2, do that in the homework, and question number 3 is not your homework. Do that thing in the class. Okay, so write question number 2. Question number 3 solved right now. I will show you the answer after some time. Question number 3. Hey, Hornish, don't smile that much. হাসতে হাসতে ব্যাস উল্টেই যাবি। So I'm going to give you the attendance. Okay. So I'm just AM PM. My writing are very bad over here. Don't raise your hand. Okay. Solve it. Solve those things. You can also start your homework also. Today, technically, your math syllabus is completed. Class time is almost over. I am just ending this class over here.